Hey y'all, welcome back to Fusioneers. I'm Joseph, and today we're going to be talking about file management and project thumbnails. So if you haven't already, go ahead and open up Fusion. If you haven't used Fusion before, this is kind of what you should see when you first open it up. This is the side kind of project panel on the left. This is kind of your file management side panel, and you can scroll down here. You should have the samples down here at the bottom, and then I think the default project is just like my project or something like that, but obviously I've made a bunch of my own, and you can see that some of these have thumbnails, some of them don't, but I thought it'd be helpful if we just went ahead and made a new project. We'll name it Fusioneers, and I'll be using this throughout the videos that I make for Fusioneers. And you see here it is underneath furniture. So go ahead and double click into that. So if you click on this button, open in web, it should bring you to a window that looks something like this. All right, so once you get to the web portal of Fusion, you'll see that the project name's over here. You see that we don't have any content because we haven't uploaded anything yet. You can manage the members. For me, it's just me, obviously, because I just made it. And then wiki pages is where you can add some notes to the project if you want to. To be completely transparent, I'm not 100% sure if the free version has this web portal or not, but hopefully if you end up upgrading at some point, you can use this. So what I wanted to show though is how to change the project details. So if we come over here, click on this little side tab, and then you'll see the project name again. So we can click on edit. And then this is where you can choose the avatar or the thumbnail for the project. And I like to upload my own, so I'm going to click on that. And I have this file called Fusioneer Thumb. This is available on the Skool Community for download for free. So if you're not already part of the Skool Community, please consider checking it out. The link's down in the description. But we're going to go ahead and add the Fusioneer Thumb, which is just a thumbnail of the Fusioneers logo. So now I'm going to click Update. All right, so now we see that up here in the corner. You can see the Fusioneers logo. So now if we go back to Fusion, let's look here to see this is refreshing, and now we see the Fusioneers logo. The last thing I'm going to do is go ahead and pin it to the top. And so now I'll have easy access to the Fusioneers project. And then the last thing I wanted to do really quickly is just to go ahead and make a new folder. This is a pretty basic folder system or file management system. I'm just going to name this intro folder. It's kind of what we're doing now. Double click into that, and then now we just go ahead and upload our first model. So I'm going to go to upload, select files, and then the file management download also has the Fusioneer logo Fusion file. You can see the F3D, which is the file type for Fusion. Then we're going to click open, upload, and now here you will see the upload come into Fusion. Now we'll open it up. All right, so that's all I really wanted to cover for this video. We'll get started on some different ways to navigate around Fusion in the next video. Hope you'll consider watching, and see you in the next one.